All right, it's Angelo with Angelo's Edge. Before I get too deep into this video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to Angelo's Edge because until you really subscribe, you're not an authorized personnel. So, all right, hope you enjoy the rest of this video. Bye. Hey, it's Angelo with Angelo's Edge here again. I got a unboxing from Prime. This is didn't quite expect to get this, but what I film my videos with is my Galaxy S7. In previous videos, I was saying I has had trouble with the USB giving me kind of a fault. So unfortunately, that's what I load my videos through is a USB to my laptop. So I bought this to charge it last time, this wireless charger, so that solved the problem with getting my phone charged. But every once in a while I still get the USB fault and I can't download my videos to my laptop to do my video editing. So I bought a webcam to hopefully to solve that problem. So here's what I got. I'm gonna open it up, unbox it, then hopefully I'm gonna switch sometime in the middle of the video to this. So this is a Raleno. It's a webcam. It had one of the top ratings for cheap ones. I think I paid $39 for it. So let's open it up. So basically I'm gonna open it up, take a look at it, and then I'm gonna hook up my laptop and do. So it comes with the camera, alright, that pops out there, USB cable. So that's what it looks like. So I am gonna hook up the laptop and so let me see. There you go. This is supposed to move down and stuff, I guess, to help. There we go. So it's supposed to has all this swivel and stuff like that. That's some not sticky but tacky. Not tacky, it's just rubberized. So I'm going to pull that off. Gonna use this hopefully the rest of the video and see what it looks like. Alright, see you in a few. Alright, I'm back with this continuation of this video. I had some technical issues. What I found was the camera is actually facing away from me. So I had before my wife bought I think what was that called, a J pop or external. I think it's J. I did I'll put a link to it on my up above somewhere up here for a J pop external speaker because the actual webcam faces away from me, so it's working that way. So now the sound's a lot better than because there's two there's two speakers on the front of the camera, and of course the camera's away from me. It picked it up, but it was really low. So I got the J pop. I'm pretty sure J pop external mic label or whatever is clipped, next to my on my neck or whatever. So you should be able to hear me real nice. Uh, so this is, of course, the continuation. This is a Raleno. The only thing I'd notice, like I also have an external light source. I'm gonna shut the light off and show you what it looks like without the external light. So it does look a little different. Here's with it on. So it helps out a little bit because if I didn't have this, you would see the shadow of like my boom kind of right here. So with the light, it helps. I could switch. Anyways, this is another. So like one of them ring lamps my wife bought. So I kind of have that actually pointed at stuff. The only thing, the colors might be a little off than my the Galaxy, but I don't know if this helps. I'm going to just switch through the different colors. There's 3 different colors you can have. I think the blue one looks good. Let's try the natural. That might be the white light. Yellow and then blue or white. Let's see. So anyways, so that's what that, does. So it's kind of got a little bit of doctrine, not much, but it's really, it's a webcam. The only other thing I noticed, it don't focus as good as my Galaxy. It, like, if I bring this up, the Kershaw emblem gives out of focus. I mean, you can read it, but it don't really focus until it gets down about right there. Which I'm wondering, I mean, technically, I guess I could lower my camera down, loosen this up, and actually manually bring the camera down to the knife, so it would be all right. So there's a ways around it. This was $40. I mean, it's not $300 uh, studio camera. So I'm kind of making do with what I got. It's not as good as the Galaxy, but I could, like, when I brought it all the way down, it focused pretty good. I mean, for what I do, I'm just doing nice sharpening videos, unboxings. This would be good. Like, because basically all I'm gonna do is, like, flick open knives, check them out. This is actually in a bad distance away for knife videos. Let's see. I'm gonna shut the light off, see what it does. There's with no light. And turn the light back on. There's some light. Really, that's not really making a difference this close to the mat. Anyway, there's the Firebird, Spyderco, CH Toucan, and the Kershaw Extra Large Natrix, and bam, the Harns Warrior. I'm going to bring the camera back up away, get a other perspective. You can get really high. Which it wasn't a bad spot right there at the, like, I'll adjust it for what kind of video I'm doing, depending on what I got going on. So, but yeah. So let me get a picture of the box real quick. Raise the camera back up. Get away from it. All right, so that is. Oh, that's really washed out like that with this light. You can't even see. This is what it is. You know what? Watch this. I'll see if I'll try this. Go down all the way and then see how you can read the book. So, I almost don't like this light. It's almost too bright. Let me shut this light off. Alright, so before, let's see, so it's still, it just don't have a really good autofocus. I said it had autofocus, but I don't. Light correction. Yeah. Maybe it didn't say it had autofocus. I was looking at a bunch of them. But either way, this would work good for me. For what I do, I think it would work good for any person that's just doing webcasting and stuff like that. I just got, like, the window behind me really brightens the actual lighting. So, anyways, it should work good for what I got. I like it though. It's like I said, the Raleno Webcam. So, all right, have a good day. Bye. Subscribe.